Righty, gonna get this corner up, get the tops on, and let's get this baby done.
Good job, it's nice and warm. Yeah, hello Billy. Where's we're away till it's probably back on the Thursday. No, I left it just after 7 in the morning. I thought, well, I'll message him. I haven't heard anything. I might have been about 20 past. What a day.
Boom, just like that. So, tops are on. Tops are on. It's got a bit more rubbing up to do. But look at her, eh? I will be returning once the windows are in and this is all landscaped. So, like a patio is going to go in here. Probably get it done in like a sort of month or so. But yeah, so there you go, eh? I think these tops are lovely. But anyway, I'm going to get tidied up. This corner's in as well. That's why I did show what I could show, but yeah, still need to get the bits there pointed, but she's looking beautiful.